The solution set of the given equation sin 13 degree to the power of cot 3x plus cot x is equal to sin square 4 pi minus x minus cos 3 pi minus x into cos 2 pi plus x. In this problem, we need to solve for x. If you see the right hand side of the equation, we can simplify it further. But it is difficult to solve sin 13. So that we should consider the right hand side of the equation. Let us see what is sin 4 pi minus x. Using ASTC rule, A means all angle, here S means sin, T means tan, C means cos. In the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. Here sin and its reciprocal cosecant is positive. Here tan and its reciprocal cot is positive. Here cos and its reciprocal secant is positive. Which means here pi by 2, here pi, here 3 pi by 2. And here for 1 complete degree, which is 2 pi. For 2 complete degree, 4 pi. Now, what is sin square 4 pi minus x? This sin square 4 pi minus x can be written as sin 4 pi minus x to the whole square. Now, what is sin 4 pi minus x? This 4 pi minus x comes in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sin is negative. So, which means minus sin x. We have the square outside. Minus. What is cos 3 pi minus x? Here is pi, 3 pi, and here repeatedly 5 pi and odd multiples of pi. Now what is cos 3 pi minus x? Cos 3 pi minus x comes in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, only sin and its reciprocal positive. So cos is negative here. So cos 3 pi minus x is negative. What is cos 3 pi minus x? It is cos only, cos of x. What now? Cos 2 pi plus x. 2 pi plus some angle. So that it comes in first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive. So that cos 2 pi plus x is cos x. Okay. Now, if you simplify this, you will get sin square x plus cos square x. Which is sin square x minus into minus plus. So cos x into cos x is cos square x. And our RHS becomes 1. So if we equate it to the LHS of the given equation, the sin 13 degree whole to the power cot 3x plus cot x is equal to 1 only when the power of sin 13 degree should be equal to 0. Should be equal to 0 because anything to the power 0 is 1. Now we should find the solution set for this equation so that this LHS and RHS makes equal. So what is cot 3x plus cot x is equal to 0? When cot 3x plus cot x is equal to 0, we should solve this equation using trigonometric formulas. Cot 3x can be written as cos 3x by sin 3x plus cot x by sin x. Cos x by sin x is equal to 0. Now you take LCM and simplify, you will get sin x into cos 3x plus cos x into sin 3x is equal to 0. This is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A plus B, which is nothing but sin A plus B, is equal to 0. Therefore, sin 4x is equal to 0. For what value of x? For what value of x? Sin 4x becomes 0. When 4x is equal to n pi. We know that sin n pi is 0. We know that sin n pi is 0, where n belongs to z. So that 4x is equal to n pi, x is equal to n pi by 4, where n belongs to z. Thank you.